This is the front door. To the right, when you first walk in, is this little intercom, and I'm able to let people in from the lobby and in the garage. This is what the kitchen looks like. So we have the fridge, some cute little plants up there, shopping list. Dad got me these from Miami. On the side here, we have this little hanger that we usually hang tea towels on, but there's none there now. And just down here, we have all Cole's bag and shopping bags and stuff. Then you have this little spot, look like a mess. Still in my pajamas, but this is where the stove is, the oven, my little cat tea towel. I have this cool pasta book. This is just holding all little utensils and stuff. Beautiful. We have tea in here, sugar, and neither of me and my roommate drink coffee, so her tea's in there. So on this side we have like knives and stuff. This is the dishwasher. This is the sink area, and under here we have chopping boards, cleaning stuff, a little medicine thing, then the microwave, kettle, toaster, and a cute little plant. And then we just have this white clock on the wall. By the way, guys, all of the stuff in this house is either from IKEA, Kmart, or there's like one thing from Aldi. Here is where the laundry is, light on. So on the side we have a cupboard up here with just cleaning stuff. Then the sink, we just have our mop, broom, mini iron board. This is our clothes rack. And then here we have our dryer and washing machine. I just did a load of washing and have to do more, so excuse the mess. My living room. But just on this side here on the right, that is my roommate's bedroom. I'm not gonna go in there. And then here, you open these two doors and there's a little study nook in here. That's what it looks like. Printer, and it's actually pretty spacious in there. And in here is my roommate's bathroom. I'll just give you a quick look. Shower, bath, sink, mirrors. So yeah, that's sort of like her little side of the place. Here we have a little rack thingy. I don't know, I just hang my bags and stuff on there. I don't know, just needed something there. And here we have this painting. I love green and greenery, so I've kind of put a lot of plants and green in the apartment. And I have this couch, so that was from IKEA, I know that. This couch was from Fantastic Furniture. And then we just have these white, black, and green pillows. These rugs, it's actually quite funny. It was too expensive to buy like one massive one, so we got two small ones and just put them together. Obviously you can see, but it really doesn't matter. These are from Fantastic Furniture as well. This coffee table is from IKEA, and then we just have this little placement with our plants and some coasters. That is that side of the place. Over here we have this big plant, some little shells. These are from back home and coral. I got this painting here. This is from Kmart as well. This candle's from Kmart. I'm pretty sure this is from Kmart. I think this is IKEA. I don't know, I just thought it looked cool. This here was actually from Aldi. Then we just have this full-length mirror here. Then we have this cute wooden basket with some throw blankets for the couch. And then we have the TV stand matching like set with the coffee table. So they're both from IKEA. Have our TV. Here I just have one of those hanging plants. I haven't got anything there. And then Mum picked up some books from the op shop for me. They're all just like celebrities and like, you know, directors and stuff. This is my little book from when I went to New York for the first time. These two little angel babies. This was actually from the op shop as well. On this side I have my record player and some records. This basket, little candle, some more books. These were mine from home, and this little mermaid girl, this was also from home. And just behind the TV we have this really nice plant, but it's not really seen, so that's a bit of a shame. I don't know if I should find a new spot to put it. That was this side of the place, so sort of overview there. Out here is my balcony. I'm not going to show you too much. It's really dirty out there because We haven't got a hose or anything. We haven't been able to clean it. We always get a lot of dust, so it is really dirty. That's actually from wine that I spilt. It's quite a big balcony. I'm not gonna go out there, but that's what it looks like. And my roommate has sliding doors going out to the balcony as well, so she has access to that as well. Living room area, kitchen area, and my roommate's side. We also have a little aircon thing here, and we have one each in Steph's room and in my room. We have a little linen closet here, toilet paper, picnic basket. I honestly don't even know what's in those boxes. Towels and stuff, other boxes, and our vacuum cleaner. And in here is my room. So this is my bed. My bed is from Fantastic Furniture, same with the mattress. Just by my bed here, I have my little bedside table. I think this is just from IKEA. It's really simple. I just have this plant here, little Easter card, my little cat, and that's just a nice like linen spray. Chargers. I got these cute little slippers for Easter. Then I have my directing chair with my name on it. This is from my uncle. And on here I just keep my laptop and some of my stuff for editing. And I just have a dream catcher on the side here that my sister made me. And then down there I have my backpack for school. Then you see this side here. So this is where my wardrobe is. My mirrors are actually like tinted blue. But yeah, so I just have, it's a bit messy, but I have skirts and shorts, t-shirts, I don't know why that t-shirt's there, but singlets and nicer tops, pajamas. And then on this side, so up here I just keep some gym clothes. Then I have all my dresses, jumpsuits, and nice tops. My sneakers down there. On this side I have all of my like pants, jeans, and then down there is a mess, just random stuff honestly. Up here I have my suitcases. Here I keep some comfy pants. This is a bit of a mess here. And here I have all my jackets and jumpers and coats. And down there I have heels, boots, and my docks. That is my wardrobe. And then in here is my bathroom. Toilet's right there. A little bin, my laundry basket. Usually I obviously have towels here, but they're in the wash at the moment. But my sink. Then I have this little mirror here. This has just got little cotton tips and whatnot there. And then these all open, so in my bathroom cupboards. So over here I have another plant hanging, and I just have my nice Coach perfume. My shower, very nice, tubby hangs there. And then on this side of my bedroom, I have another full-length mirror here. This is the same one as out in the living room, but yeah, those ones are tinted blue, so just if I ever want to get, I don't know, some more photos, I have no idea. I have this for outfits and stuff, and then I just have this plant hanging from it. Up here I have, and this is a little heat pack, but he's so cute, so I put him there. Down here I have a quilt and some pillows that my nana made for me that I just got recently, so it's just there for the moment. Hung up some little lights going across here. I have a big beanbag. I have another dream catcher that my sister made me, and I keep my Yui boom there. But yeah, that there is my bedroom, and it's pretty like high ceilings. I don't have anything on the walls or anything else. And I forgot as well, sorry, under here we have just some bar stools.